Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Crowne Plaza Hotel in Birmingham city centre. So yes, this footage here is actually the day after, because I did check in the evening, but what I want to do is show you the front entrance. Also we're going to be checking in, and I'm going to be showing you full room tour, and also we're going to see what we get for breakfast. And I'm going to show you everything that they've got to offer in this hotel if you're ever thinking, when you come to Birmingham city centre, staying here. Okay, so I've just arrived in the hotel room at the Crowne Plaza in Birmingham, and I'm just going to show you. You're going to do like a room tour. So as we walk in, because this is the door, so as you walk in and you open up like a little closet area, so this is where I will be hanging my clothes. I'm grateful they have an iron. There's the standard safe down here. There is a little bit of storage, or if I can zoom in you can see maybe shoes in here, and a little drawer. Keep maybe some bits and pieces, socks and things like this. Oh, here is the hairdryer. Okay. So if you want them to do any cleaning, dry cleaning, then you can put all that in here. And let's see what we've got in the next one, which is empty. I'm wondering, there is the iron. I was thinking, where is the iron? We've got all the bits and pieces, but we haven't got the iron, so that's great. So pretty much standard. And now, if we turn right, we enter the bathroom. So let's have a look in the bathroom. So we have just a simple toilet. We have no bath in here, but we do have a lovely big shower in there, and we do have the lovely robes again with the Crowne Plaza label on the gowns here. Really nice. What else do we have up here? We've got a toothbrush there, tissues. We have, let's have a look. These are lovely, plant-based. Looks like hand wash and lotion. So, and then we've got some bags here, plugs there, mirrors, magnifying mirrors, and we've got more towels. We've got all the toilet rolls, extra towels here, little bin there. All in all, a very good size, everything you need, and it is lovely and clean. So as we walk into the room, I have 2 double twin beds in here, so it is quite a large room actually. Very peaceful as well. Large TV, a full length mirror over there. And we've got a bin here, we've got a chair, we've got this lovely lamp going on here, another mirror. So if you want to just do your hair, that's a great place to do it. You've even got plugs here. So you've got the remote control for the TV. You have another storage. The one thing I've noticed about this room, so here you go, you've got your kettle, you've got these snacks, don't worry about that, those are mine, but what you will get is your standard cups on a tray. So you've got to pull that out, put it on the top there, little bits of chalk. Should we get it out and see? Let's get it out and see. I can't get the lights any brighter in this room, and as you can see, I have arrived in the evening and it's summer, so excuse me for this bad lighting. I can also record this room again in the daytime. So here we go. So we've got lovely views over here. We are in the heart of the city, not far from the station here. So this all looks like companies here. So that is the view. Now obviously they've got the windows open, and then you have got your blackout blind curtains, as well. So you've got your privacy. I'm just going to keep it open because it's very hot. So we're in the heat wave, and we have all of this going on as well here. Also next to the bed on this side, which is nice, we've got a table and a little chair, so that's nice. And you do have these lights here, so you can move everything around. And the bed looks very clean, looks lovely, looks very inviting. And then you've got your rest assured clean team here. Okay, so, and then you've got this lovely artwork on the walls as well. So if I stand back, we can just see what this room looks like. This is quite a very good, spacious room, but we were onto that coffee station or tea station, wherever you want to call it, and we do get some double chocolate biscuits. We've got 2 cups here, we've got glasses, we've been given some water, we've got milks, we've got different kinds of coffee, English breakfast tea, sugar. We've got little complimentary chocolates here. What is this? And we've also got some hot chocolate as well. Again, I have brought some little treats of my own. Obviously, my Kenko has got to come with me. But yeah, so I'm going to enjoy that later. So I'll keep this drinks trolley up here so we can put the kettle on. But yeah, I mean, really, really nice. I'm actually impressed with this room, very happy. And I'm going to be doing bits of shopping as well in Birmingham. So I can show you what I get up to in this video. And I can also show this hotel a bit more better in the morning, and also let you know what I had for breakfast. If you're ever thinking of coming or passing through and you want somewhere to stay while you've come at the station, then the Crowne Plaza, this is the video review if you want to stay in one of the rooms here. The carpet is grey. I'm not a fan of grey carpet, but maybe it's practical in hotels. I would like to have something more brighter, but I suppose with stains and things or droppage, this is probably an easier colour. So yeah, but all in all, I think it's very cool for the heat wave we're experiencing. This room is lovely and cool, so I'm going to get a good night's sleep tonight. Hi, so it is the next morning. Just going to show you the view in the morning. It was a lovely good night's sleep with the air conditioning. It's really cool. Forgot to mention this is a 4-star hotel, but they don't have any fridges in the room, so that's just a point I want to add. So now I'm going to go downstairs. This is the whole of the downstairs area. I just love the way it's decorated, actually. And you've got so many little nooks and sitting areas. Here's a bar here. So if you want to relax and chill out, you've got lots of space to do that. And you can get the drinks that you want. So yeah, and then just behind the bar is where you will be having your breakfast. So here is the breakfast area. I'm trying not to show anybody because there's a lot of people that wouldn't want to be recorded having their breakfast so early in the morning. So this is the breakfast area, and you can see this is what the tables would look like. So you'd have all your cutlery set out onto the tables. There is so much options. It's a buffet breakfast, so you could have toast, you could have a full English, you could have croissants, cupcakes, whatever tickles your fancy, lots of lovely bread. You can have your cereal, so there's milk here for all of the cereal options, and they're all here in these lovely see-through jars, all labelled to make it easy. And you've got little condiments here that you can have and put onto your breakfast. This lovely gorgeous mirror, and here you can have all your toast. There's lots of selections of jams that come in these little pretty little jars. I just love it. So you know, it's all self-service as well, so you don't feel that you have to wait. You can just do your own thing. I ordered a full English breakfast because I just love it. And it's not just that, I think it's something I don't normally have. A lovely smoothie there, and I'll have a coffee in my room when I go up. So like I said, they have all these lovely little nook seating areas here, and there is a kind of like little display near the reception desk, and it's like this lovely lavenders, teacups and saucers, and yeah, so like I said, there are these lovely displays. I mean, look at this little dining area here. I don't know what you would use this for, but it's right near the front entrance as you come in. So yeah, so very spacious, welcoming entrance, and very airy, especially for this time of year, which is just great. Upstairs on the 11th floor, which is called the Club Lounge, this is different prices here. So the only people that can enter this room, and I can't unfortunately, but I can record it from the outside, are only only those that have booked for the 11th floor, and they've got the club lounge. So there's lots of things. Look, they can have lovely things there in the fridge. They've got lots of snacks and things to eat. And yeah, it is. And they've also got the view. They've also got this view behind these curtains here of Birmingham city centre. And yeah, they've even got the eating area. You've got cutlery I can see on the tables. They could probably have their breakfast here. You can see fruit is available, snacks, lovely seating areas. They've also decorated this as well. You can see vases on the shelves there. So yeah, very nice. So look into that if you're thinking of booking and on the 11th floor, because you do get the access to a club lounge. So just wanted to share that with you. This is the view from the club lounge. You can see I'm just looking out the window, and you can see all of the large buildings here. Mostly business buildings are here, and yeah, so you can check out the view as well. And here, this is just above the reception floor here, and this are all meeting rooms. There's no rooms here to stay. The whole of this floor is dedicated to meeting rooms. So if it's any trip for business, or businesses want to rent out places of meetings, this is probably a great place to do it, or events, because it is full meeting rooms. They give you access to coffees, snacks, biscuits. Just showing you some of these rooms now, maybe even for training if you're in a company, because you can see all the seating areas, and again you've got access to all your drinks and snacks again outside. So again, this is probably worth mentioning in the Crowne Plaza Hotel, the facilities that they are offering. And then you've got access to the gym, and everybody on every floor has got access to this. So you can see all the equipment. If you're having a long stay and you do want to get up in the morning and have that workout, this is also a very good option. So there's no, you've got, I don't know how many machines here. There's lots of machines, different styles of machines, all available for anybody who wants to do a quick workout in the morning, before or after breakfast. So I think this is a great addition to the hotel. And then you've got all your access. They've given you all the towels here, waters. So there you go, access to everything that you need, and little weights there. You've got a mirror, yoga mats, so you can do any kind of relaxing exercises as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. It's a quick tour, but it's included everything that's available in the Crowne Plaza Hotel. And remember, it's very close to train stations, and also it's in the heart of the Birmingham city centre.